you have put any DIY projects on hold thinking you will do it later, this is your sign to get them done. I am 4 years too late to this project, but I'm finally ready to tick it off my to do list. I am going to transform this old mirror into something new and special for me with some ornate details. So let's finally get this DIY project done. Hi guys, this is Rashmi. Welcome back to my channel. I do upcycle and DIY projects here, and today I'm tackling this old mirror. If you remember a few years ago, transforming your old mirror into that vintage inspired ornate mirrors was a huge trend, and I had saved this mirror to do that DIY, and it has been sitting on my vanity for so long. This was actually an old medicine cabinet door that I removed from the cabinet and used it as my vanity mirror for a few years now. And this project has been on my mind for so long because I get ready in front of this mirror. And maybe because I use this mirror so often, I always think that, hey, I need it today, so I can't do it. But I'm finally ready to let go of it for a day and do this DIY. I don't know how it's going to turn out. It has been a while since I got all the supplies, so I have no idea what all I got back in 2022. Let's hope I have everything and let's get going. Okay, I must say I'm very much impressed by 2022 Rashmi. She had definitely thought about everything. I have the wooden applique, I have the color, I have wood glue, I have sand block, and I have painter's tape. And that's what we are going to do first. We are going to tape the mirror off and then get to sanding so that the paint adheres to the frame as well as the glue adheres to the frame for applying the appliques. Before I get to taping, I am going to wipe off this mirror so that there's no dust and the tape can adhere to the mirror very smoothly. Okay, I had to re-tape it and some damage was done, but that's okay because the next step we are going to do is we are going to sand this surface for the paint to adhere to it. So I'm hoping this damage will be disguised in that. These are the wooden applique pieces I'm thinking of adding to this frame. This will go up here. Of course, I'll mark it to see how it looks. And then these will frame the bottom. How does that look? I think it's cute. Okay, now this is done. I'm gonna let it dry and come back to it in a few hours. Okay, let's check. I think we are good. So let's go out and spray paint this with this metallic finish. The next day and it's all dried up and it's time for the best part, to remove the painter's tape. Finally, this project is done and I get to enjoy this beautiful mirror every day on my vanity. See you guys next time for another upcycle or DIY. Bye.